Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the perimeter and area. So first of all, we will try to understand the perimeter means what. So perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. This is ABCD is your closed figure. The perimeter will be equal to the sum of this one, sum of these all these sides. So here the perimeter will be equal to, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, means that is the distance around a closed figure. This is the, you can see the boundaries here only. This is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, that is the perimeter of this one. Now if we talk about the area, so area is the part of a plane. This is your plane is there, any one of the part you are taking, suppose this part we are taking, so this is the area is there only. But, or you can say the region occupied by the closed figure. This is your closed figure, PQRS is the closed figure is there. The area is enclosed by this one. So this is the region which is enclosed by this one. So that is, you can say this region is a area of this PQRS. So area is nothing else, that is the region occupied by the closed figure. किसी भी closed figures ने जितना भी area occupied किया, region occupied किया, that is the area of this one. First of all, we will discuss about the rectangle is there. What is the perimeter of the rectangle and the area of the rectangle? See now, this is your rectangle. Rectangle means their opposite sides are equal. This AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. This angle, these angles will be the 90. This is, you can say, the length, and this is your breadth. This is breadth. So this is your length is there. So their opposite sides are equal and each and every angle should be the 90, and in a rectangle the diagonals are also equal. This AC is also equal to this BD. Diagonals are also the equal. But here we will talk about the perimeter of this one as well as the area. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. So you can take, this is your L and this is your B. So this will also be the L and this is B. So perimeter will be equal to this L plus B plus L plus B. So that is, you are getting what? L plus L means 2L plus 2B. For the own convenience, आप लिख सकते हैं 2 in bracket L plus B, means sum of the length and breadth. किसी भी rectangle में उसकी length और breadth का sum का twice करिए, you will get the perimeter is there only. Perimeter means distance around a closed figure. So this is your distance, which is the perimeter AB, BC, CD, and this DA is the perimeter. If we talk about the area, अगर हम area की बात करते हैं तो area of a perimeter, area of a rectangle is equal to, that is length into breadth. So if you know the length and breadth is there, you can write down for the own convenience L into B is there only. Then you can find out the area of the rectangle. तो area of rectangle क्या होता है? Length into breadth. लेकिन यहाँ पर important concept ये है कि length और breadth if it is given, आपको length और breadth given है, तो they must have the same unit. Unit should be the same. अगर मान लीजिए length सेंटीमीटर में है, breadth must be also in centimeter. If the length is meter, breadth must be also meter. If it is in kilometer, this should be in kilometer. This is in millimeter, then this should also be in millimeter. Sometimes, see now, the length क्या है, meter में given है and breadth is given in centimeter. So either you have to change the length or you have to change the breadth. Means unit should be the same. So the perimeter of the rectangle is twice into L plus B, or the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Have a look. Yes, now the square. Square means all the sides are equal. Square क्या होता है? सभी side equal. All the sides are equal and all the angles are 90. And important point is there, their diagonals are also the equal. Means you can say this AC is equal to BD. So the square means all the sides are equal, all the angle 90 and diagonals are equal. That is the square is there. See the perimeter of the square. Perimeter means the boundary. Perimeter of a square means AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. But all the sides are equal. So in place of BC, CD, DA, you can write on AB plus AB plus AB plus AB, that is equal to 4 into AB. Or then you can write down 4 into sine. So if you know the side of the square, you can find out the perimeter. Similarly, the area of the square is side into side, or it can be written as side square. This is. So this is the area of the square by using this formula. Area of square क्या होता है? Side का square. If you know the side, you can calculate the area of a square. अब देखिए ये एक्सरसाइज 11.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. क्वेश्चन है the length and breadth. This is the based on the area of the square and area of the rectangle. ये totally that is ये पूरा based है किस पर? Rectangle पर. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of length is 500 meter and 300 meter. So this is your length and this is your breadth. Unit is same, so need not to worry. Unit हमारा already same है, ये मीटर है, ये भी मीटर है. Unit should be the same. अगर same नहीं होता तो we are supposed to change. Respectively, you have to find its area. ये क्या है? Rectangular piece है. Means in the shape of the rectangle. You have to find the area as well as the cost. If the rate is given, this one is only. So look at here now. How can we solve this one? See now, your question is there is a rectangular piece. Solution you can. This is your rectangular piece. You can say length is given 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. So is already we know that area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. This is already we know that. तो हमको length already पता है. This is your length and this is your breadth. ये आपकी length है, ये breadth है. You can find the area of this one. So area first part is area of a rectangular piece. That will be equal to L into B. Length is already given 500, breadth is 300. So you can say that 500 into 300. So this is equal to 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So 1,50,000 meter square. This is the area of this rectangular piece of land. So first part is over. Second में क्या बोला है कि you have to find the cost if you are going to pay the 10,000 rupees for 1 meter square land. 1 meter square land का you are going to pay the 10,000. You have to find the how much amount you have to pay for this area only. देखिए तो area is equal to होता है हमारा cost is equal to that is area into rate. Area into rate. But here you should be very careful. This is depend on the rate only. Means suppose ये this is the concept. Keep in mind. अगर मान लीजिए हमको rate per meter दिया है, only per meter. Rate is given per meter. Here by the way it is given per meter square. तो अगर you can say if it is given per meter, तो आपको क्या calculate करना है? You have to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter. But if it is given per meter square, it means as usual. इसका मतलब you have to calculate the area to find the cost निकालने के लिए. तो rate से हमें पता चलता है you have to calculate the area or the perimeter. अगर ये दिया होता suppose in cube is given, suppose in cube, that is you can see the volume. So you are supposed to calculate the volume is there only per meter cube. This one is. तो rate से हमें you can know कि हमें you have to calculate the area or the perimeter or the this one to find the cost. By the way here क्या दिया 1 meter square. इसका मतलब area और area इसने already निकलवाया. तो area is equal to rate करो. Area is that is 1530 into rate is given 10,000. So this is your 15045 and this is your the cost of the land is there and this is your answer because the rate is given 10,000 per meter square and your area is this one is there. So this will be your cost. Have a look. Okay, now these two more questions we are taking from the exercise 11.1. Question number 2. See, the question is given. Find the area of a square R whose perimeter, the perimeter of a square is given. You are supposed to find out the area of the square. हमें क्या perimeter given है, area निकालना है. तो square का perimeter means 4 into side. This is given because in a square all the sides are equal. Square part, this is your square part है, तो all the sides equal होंगी. This side, this all are equal. So we know the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. This is the formula to find the perimeter. Perimeter हमको क्या already given है. This is given 320 centimeter. That is equal to 4 into side. So we can calculate the side first. क्योंकि side अगर you know, तो you can calculate the area is there. So what you will get from side? 320 over 4. 4 8 so this is your 80 centimeter. 80 meter. This is the length of the side. The length of the side is now 80 meter. This is your 80 meter. 80 meter. Now we are interested in area also. You have to calculate the area. So area is equal to area of a square क्या होता है? Area of a square that is equal to side square. Side means 80 whole square. So this is can be written as 80 into 80. So this is 8 8 is 6400 meter square. This is the area of the square. तो perimeter given है, you have to calculate the side first. पहले आपको क्या side निकालना है? क्योंकि perimeter of a square क्या होता है? 4 into side. So you can calculate the side. Side is equal to perimeter over 4. And if you know the side, अगर आपको side पता है, by using this formula, you can find out the area. See one more question. Question number 4 is given in NCERT. In this question, what is given? The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Perimeter is given here. There is a rectangular sheet. You can see this one. Rectangular sheet है. Rectangular sheet. It means length will be there, breadth, and perimeter is already given. This is the perimeter of this one. So perimeter of the rectangular sheet, we know that is perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. लेकिन हमको क्या है? Here is the length also given. The length of this one means this L is already given 35. So you have to calculate the breadth first. You have to calculate the breadth first. आपको क्या करना है? पहले breadth निकालना है. So just put the perimeter is here. Perimeter is given 100 is equal to 2. Length is 35 plus B. तो इसको calculate करके what we can do? We can calculate the breadth is here only. So one way is there. You can do like 100 is equal to, you can multiply by 2. 2 into 35, 70 plus 2B. You can transpose this 70 on this side. So 2B is equal to 100 minus 70, that is equal to 30. And B is equal to, you can say that is 30 over 2. That is 15. That is centimeter. This is given centimeter. So 15 centimeter. So this is your breadth. You can see the breadth is 15 centimeter. This is your first part is over. 15 centimeters the breadth. Because just putting the यहाँ L रखिए, P रखिए and solve it only. Now he is also interested in area. So area of a rectangle is that is L into B. So length is already we know that is 35 and breadth हमने calculate कर लिया that is 15. You can multiply 525 centimeter square and this is your area is there. Simply you can multiply 35 into 15 is there. Have a look. Yes, now this is the question number 6 from your NCERT. Question is, a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 25. Means there is a wire is you can say in the shape of the rectangle. This is the length is given here is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, हम what exactly we are doing? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? इस रेक्टेंगुलर की शेप में जो वायर है उसको रीबेंड कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रीबेंड. इसका शेप चेंज कर दिया. जस्ट मेक इट ए स्क्वायर बना दिया इसको. जस्ट मेक द स्क्वायर इज देयर. स्क्वायर मींस ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. तो हमने इस वायर को वी आर गोइंग टू रीबेंड दिस वायर. तो इसका जो पेरीमीटर होगा, पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल विल बी इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर होगा. बिकॉज हमने इसको रीबेंड करके स्क्वायर बनाया. तो इट मींस यू कैन से द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल विल बी इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर, बिकॉज हमने क्या है इसी को बेंड करके यू आर गोइंग टू मेक द स्क्वायर इज हियर ओनली, इसको ही बेंड किया तो पेरीमीटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू, द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज हियर ओनली. Here is the length you know, breadth you know, that is the perimeter of the rectangle you know, L plus B, that is 40 plus 22, direct and B is equal to perimeter of the square you know 4 into side. So here what we can do, we can calculate the side of this square. इसका perimeter इसके बराबर है तो हमको length and breadth is given है तो you know this is perimeter of the rectangle क्या होता है 2 L plus B, perimeter of square क्या होता है 4 into side, this is your perimeter. So they are equal. तो यहां से क्या करेंगे, you can calculate the side is here only. Just you can solve this one. So this is 2 into 62 and this is divided by this 4. So that is equal to the side. So this is 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 31. So therefore you are getting the side is there. So side is what 31 centimeter. So this is the side of this square. तो square की side क्या होगी 31 centimeter. 31 centimeter. This is also the 31 and 31 centimeter. So we know the side is there only. We know the side is there. Now what is saying question? The shape of the square. What will be the measure of each side? So each side will be the 31 centimeter. We can already calculated here. Now he is saying also find which shape enclose more area. ये shape ज़्यादा area enclose कर रही है या ये कर रही है, that you have to calculate it now. Means you are supposed to compare the area of rectangle and area of this square. हमें क्या करना है, अब हमें ये देखना है कि ये ज्यादा एरिया ऑक्यूपाई कर रहा है या ये कर रहा है, ठीक है. तो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट इट सेपरेटली. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, so that is equal to what, L into B. L is 40, B is 22. So this is your 880 centimeter square. This is. So this is the area of the rectangle. Now you must calculate the area of the square. Area of square is equal to, that is side square, means 31 whole square, means 31 into 31. You have to multiply, this one is there. You will get 31 into 31, 1339. So this is your 961 centimeter square. This is. Now you are supposed to compare. You are supposed to compare which area is larger, which one is larger, which have the more area. So that means this, just you know, square have a more area because the area of the square is 961 आ रहा है. इसका कितना है 880. So you can say therefore square enclose more area, and this is your answer. Have a look. Yes. Now this is the question number 8. Question is, a door of a length 2 meter by 1 meter in breadth is fitted in a wall. There is a one wall is there. एक दीवार है. This is your दीवार. Wall is there. And in this one there is a one door. This is your door. This is your door. And the length is, this is given the 2 meter and this is your 1 meter. This one is fitted in this one. ये दीवार में fitted है. This one is there. And we want to do the whitewash. We want to do the whitewash is here. He's saying the length of the wall is given 4.5. That you can say, like suppose this is your 4.5 meter and this breadth is given 3.6 meter. This is there only. And you have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. We are going to do the whitewash on this wall only. So जब whitewash हम करेंगे तो किस पोर्शन पे करेंगे, इस पर, this one. We will do the whitewashes here only because we are not going to do the whitewashes here. यहाँ door में नहीं करेंगे, door है ये. So we are going to do the whitewash on this portion. And he is saying then how much amount we have to pay. कितना हमें amount देना पड़ेगा अगर हम रेट जो है ना वो 20 रुपीज पर मीटर स्क्वायर है. मीन्स अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया वी आर गोइंग टू डू द व्हाइट वॉश वी हैव टू पे द 20 रुपीज. अगर 20 एक पर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर का एरिया करते हैं तो उसके लिए 20 रुपीज पे करना पड़ता है. तो यू हैव टू नो द कॉस्ट इज देयर. तो पहले तो you have to calculate the area of this portion. Area of this portion on which we are going to do the white wash. हमें उस एरिया का पोर्शन का एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा जिसमें व्हाइट वॉश वी आर गोइंग टू डू. तो व्हाइट वॉश इस पोर्शन में करें, हाउ कैन कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस वन. तो ओन कन्वीनियंस के लिए आप ऐसे कर लीजिए, ए बी सी डी यू कैन गिव द नेम, दिस इज यू कैन गिव पी क्यू आर एस. तो वी आर गोइंग टू डू द white wash on this portion. So from this ABCD area we have to subtract this one only. So you will get the area of that portion on which we are going to do the white wash. अगर मैं इस पूरे में से इस डोर का एरिया निकाल दूं तो मुझे केवल वो एरिया मिलेगा जिस पर मैं white wash करना है. So look at here now. So you can calculate the area of ABCD, that is L into B. You can say that is in the rectangular shape is there. So that is 4.5 into 3.6 meter square. This is the area of this wall is there. Now similarly you must calculate the area of a door. So that is equal to length into breadth you will do L into B. So that is 2 into 1, that is 2 meter square. And we want to do the whitewash on this portion A S P Q R B S T. So area of A S P Q R B C D A, this one, that will be equal to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS, that you have to do. तो इसका एरिया कितना है, that is 4.5 into 3.6 minus 2. You are supposed to calculate it only. Have a look. So the area of this portion you can subtract, it will be equal to 16.2 meter square. This is minus 2, that is equal to 14.2 meter square. अब now हमको क्या rate is given है, rate is given per meter square, so you know the rate area is there only. So now cost is equal to, you know, that is area into rate, and area is already we know that is 14.2 and rate is given 20. You have to multiply this one, so it will be the 482. So we are supposed to pay the 284 rupees for this same is here. Have a look.